Good morning, children. So we are in English reader class and we are near about the last of our syllabus. We are going to end this one with a play, and the name of the play is Prakash the Peacock. You can see this is the page, that is page number 98, where it going to start. Now, as like in the previous portions, you have learned so many like that way. Those are the stories or the poem, but it is a play. So what is the difference between the stories and a play? See here, only the characters have mentioned here. That means who are telling the story or that's playing the roles of the story characters directly. Here are the speeches or the dialogues directly who are delivering to that way. So this is a play, and in a play there are characters or the persons are present like that. Which characters are there? In that play we have storyteller, that means who actually narrating the story or telling the story, and then the direct speech or dialogues are there. Who are delivering the dialogues? There are Prakash the Peacock, who is the hero or the main character of this play. Then the teacher, their teacher is there. Chotu the Peachik, Peachik means a baby peacock, and other peacocks are there. So here are how many characters are there? One is storyteller, the main character, that is Prakash, he is also a peacock. Their teacher, a small peacock or baby peacock named as Chotu, and other peacocks of that tuition class. So let's see what is going on in this play. It is starting like that way with the speech of storyteller. What the storyteller is telling? Storyteller is narrating or describing about that play, what is just happening. Prakash was a beautiful peacock. That means a male peacock. He never danced in front of the other little peacocks because he was shy. In your class, suppose you imagine in your class, there are different kinds of students. Some of them are shy, some are naughty, some are talkative. Same way, in the peacock's family, different kinds of peacocks are there with different natures. So, Prakash is such kind of character of peacock who is very much shy. That means cannot express himself before the others, what quality he has. And you also know that peacock can dance. So, all the other peacocks loved their dancing lessons. So, what the teacher teaches them, they always just love to grab them and also love to dance. But as Prakash is also a good dancer, but as because he is very shy, that's why he cannot dance before the others, in front of others. But Prakash would run away and hide from them. Always when it's time to just dance or practice dance, always it is Prakash nature that he would run away and hide from them. This the narration or the description has given by the storyteller. Now actually the play is starting from this point. Enter the little peacocks and their dance teacher. This is a scene where in your book also you can see a picture has given where is the gathering of different small peacocks and the big one is their teacher. So a place only where the little peacocks and the dance teachers are gathered for the tuition class or the dance class. The peacocks can be seen dancing. So as like the scene is like that way, all peacocks are in the mood of dancing. Now teacher is telling, what the teacher is telling? 1, 2, 3, 4, spin around. Spin around means to turn around and round quickly. Just make a circle. Spin around once and spin one more time. This is the teacher instructing to the students that move round, round, round again and again. The little peacocks move their feet as like the teacher is instructing. The students are just following that, and to that manner they are moving to their feet. Prakash watches from behind a big thorny bush. As like the storyteller is telling the story before, we can just already heard that by fast way Prakash has hide himself just behind of a bush or just run away from that place or from the dancing stage or dancing scene. Now other peacocks together while dancing. What the teacher has told, they are just repeating the same thing like that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us sleep. High 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down we land again. Teacher has instructed, same way they are following the instructions to that manner. But Prakash is not the part of that way. He is just watching that thing by standing behind of a bush. Prakash tries the dance as well. But behind the bush he is practicing his dance. But he is very shy to come in front of the other peacocks or the teachers. Prakash whispering to himself. Same words he is telling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me leave 5. Now the light says on the Prakash. What is Prakash doing? Prakash is repeating the same thing as the teacher has instructed and doing the same thing there, but just standing behind of a thorny bush. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down I land again. Same words he is telling or doing the same thing. Now it is storyteller time. Again, what storyteller is telling to us? Of course, it was not a good idea to practice jumping near a thorny bush. Prakash crashed into the thorny bush. Is it a proper place to dance in between of the thorny bush? No. So what happened? As like the accident happened, same way, Prakash crashed into a thorny bush. Prakash, by pain, he just make a sound like that. Oh, wow, wow. Teacher, what's that noise? Even teacher didn't notice that Prakash is hiding behind a bush. So teacher also astonished that why the sound or which kind of sound is coming behind of the bush. Look at that and notice that what is going on. The teacher runs toward the thorny bush. Teacher, Prakash, what are you doing here? Why aren't you dancing on the soft ground with all the others? As like the class is going on there and it is normal, the students will dance on a soft floor, but why are you that is behind of this or just near of this thorny bush? What is the reason to stand to this place? All the little peacocks look at Prakash in surprise. They are also in surprise. Why he is here? Prakash feels too shy to reply. As like it is his nature, now only he also feels shy to reply. What is the reason to stand in that place? Chotu. Who is Chotu? At first it has described that it is a small peacock or peachy named as Chotu. Rudely. Prakash can't dance. He just humiliate like that way. Prakash can't dance. Prakash can't even talk. All he can do is hop. That Chotu just humiliate him like that way. Teacher shaking his head. Stop teasing him. As like Chotu started to tease Prakash, immediately teacher stopped him and tell him that not to tease Prakash. Don't listen to him, Prakash. Prakash ran away to a quiet corner of the forest. As like his nature, he just ran away from that place and just have gone to a corner of a forest and started to cry. Prakash cried, I never want to see another peacock again. So, as like he felt humiliated, he started to cry and said he don't want to meet other peacocks again. At that time, suddenly crack goes the thunder. Okay, as like thundering sounds, you know how it's kind. As a thundering sound started with crack in the rainy days. Same way it has happened suddenly, and what happened after that, we are going to learn that and listen that in our next class, that what happened. Okay, this much is for today. So thank you so much.